Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Jade Leaf Culinary Matcha. Matcha is rich in antioxidants and is a great source of natural energy and mental clarity. Culinary grade matcha is an affordable way to add a delicious, healthy boost to lattes, smoothies, baked goods, and other dishes. Jade Leaf's Culinary Matcha is one of the most popular and highly rated options in the culinary category. Customers say the powder is versatile and easy to blend, and the flavor is rich and earthy rather than sweet. All Jade Leaf products are organic and made in Japan, with this matcha being grown in the Uji region. It's reasonably priced, and it comes in 4 quantities, ranging from 30 grams to 1 pound. The brand also includes easy-to-follow recipes for matcha delights on its bags. Number 2 in this best matcha green tea powder list is Ippodo Sayaka Matcha. Most of our experts recommended drinking Ippodo Sayaka Ceremonial grade matcha straight up. Matcha, a finely powdered green tea powder, is a favorite among tea enthusiasts for its rich aroma, full-bodied umami, and vibrant green color. Green tea has been produced in Ippodo for over 3 centuries. This matcha powder, Amin no Mukashi, is the highest quality offered by the firm, which is situated in Kyoto, the world's most abundant matcha region. As soon as you open the lid, you'll notice the vibrant green hue, and once it's brewed, you can expect a deep umami flavor with a sweet undertone. It comes in jars of 20 and 40 grams and is best served as yusha or kocha, while some customers use it to make lattes by mixing the powder with milk. Of course, high-quality matcha has a premium price tag. Amin no Mukashi is probably suited for longtime matcha fans or those who want to experience a premium matcha for the first time. The company offers a variety of products, including some that are less expensive. Our third pick is Encha Ceremonial Grade Matcha Green Tea. This matcha powder offers a perfectly balanced palate, both sweet and earthy, with a smooth, velvety consistency when whisked into water. Its premium, 100% organic matcha tea powder is ground from the most tender matcha leaves, plucked each spring from our farm in the hills of Uji, Japan. All Encha matcha tea is USDA certified organic, consisting only of the finest quality organic tea leaves. Skip the coffee and allow our matcha green tea powder to provide a natural pick-me-up. Organic matcha is rich in antioxidants and offers clean and consistent energy and mental clarity without any crash. To prepare a traditional matcha green tea, simply take 1 teaspoon Encha Ceremonial matcha and whisk vigorously into 5 ounces hot water at 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy the balanced flavor and health benefits of organic green tea. Fourth pick in our best matcha green tea powder list is PureChimp Matcha Green Tea Powder. Making a fabulous cup of tea with this matcha tea powder is simple. Add half a teaspoon to a dash of cold water and whisk. Top with hot water or with the milk of your choice. Many buyers describe the flavor as pleasant, but slightly grassy, and others believe it's an excellent value for money option, according to internet reviews. Of course, maintain a healthy dose of skepticism. The powder is duller than many more expensive matches, indicating inferior quality, and the firm does not specify how the tencha leaves are crushed, implying a less refined and less expensive alternative to stone grinding. On the plus side, PureChimp sources all of its products from Kyoto, Japan, and the company even sells flavored matcha powders like mint, turmeric, rooibos, and lemongrass. In addition, 5% of revenues will be donated to Save the Chimps. Last in this list is Rishi Tea Sweet Matcha. Add a little more green to your menu with sweet matcha powder, made with authentic Japanese matcha and pure cane sugar. Simply mix sweet matcha with any kind of milk to create delicious and perfectly sweetened green tea lattes, or experiment to mix your own unique cafe-style concoctions. 3 unique traditional preparation methods: matcha latte, iced matcha latte, matcha lemonade. Decadent, delicious cafe-style blend. A conscious business is one that pays attention to both the raw materials and the human effort, recognizing it is the sum of these resources that creates a sustainable and resilient business.